Firefox doesn't have my bookmarks displayed, so
Gotcha.
I need to find where to do that.
You guys, I'll look at this number one. I'll go ahead and read that one.
Go ahead.
A public opinion poll surveyed a simple random sample of 1,000 votes. Respondents were classified by gender, female or male, and by voting preference. Republican, Democrat, or Independent. The results presented to in this set of questions, we will explore the research question: do men's voting preferences differ significantly from women's voting preferences? User level significance is 0.05, which could have appropriate for research. And the first one is trying to find out if the no would be that gender let's see. Would it be A, that they're not independent?
I'm not even there yet, so almost there though.
Dude. Let me know, TJ, when you are there.
All right, I'm opening. Ready. Okay, so public opinion poll. Did you say A for question 3?
Yes, I did.
Okay.
That's what I heard.
That is what I agree with.
Okay. You want to go ahead and do number 4, TJ?
What is the equation for computing the degrees of freedom? Number of rows times, or number of rows minus 1 multiplied by the number of columns minus 1. So open parenthesis, number of rows minus 1, close parenthesis, open parenthesis, number of columns minus 1, close parenthesis. So C.
Yep.
What is the correct choice for degrees of freedom for this problem? No. Ow. Ow, that hurt.
I think it's 2.
Two. I'm just using that formula. Number of rows minus 1. So the 3. So the times the number of columns, which is, I guess maybe you just say 3.
I don't think we use the total rows.
Okay, so that would equal 4.
So it would be 3 minus 1 times 2 minus 1. So 2 times 1.
That's 2.
So it would be
Right.
2, I think. I'm fairly certain we take out the total rows.
Then it says other requirements for conducting squared test for independent levels of data set.
Hold on a second.
I'm going to say A.
A for number 6.
You guys agree?
I agree.
Sorry. Are the requirements for conducting a chi-squared test for independence met by this test? We're assuming it was a simple random sample, or it was stated, right? Yep. And each one is more than 5, so yes.
Do you agree with A?
A, yep.
X squared stand for?
It's a chi. It's the Greek X, not X, which is confusing because it looks a lot like X. It's not like rho that looks different or.
Right. This is the chi square. So I can just type these numbers in. Right?
You can what?
I can just type the numbers in for the computer of the Excel sheet.
You're cutting in and out.
The clock.
I'm saying I can just type in the numbers into the Excel sheet because this is high square test.
Yeah.
So I got 16.2 for the test statistic.
16.204 is what I got.
Oh, mine doesn't. Let's see. Yes, 204.
15.240.
16.204.
04. Okay.
I just got for the p-value. Am I doing it wrong?
0.0003.
Yeah. I want 3 decimals.
Yeah, so 0.000. I think that's right. If we're wrong, we can redo the quiz.
Is number 9D?
Sorry, what was that?
Is number 9D?
I would say it is E.
E, okay.
E as in Edward.
Yes, Echo.
Echo.
I'll be right back. My doorbell just rang and I think I'm the only one home.
So for number 10, Brad, I got.
I am not the only one home. I hear voices when I take off my headset. I also hear voices when I put on my headset, but they're different voices.
True.
And I got true.
All right, so in this set of questions, we will review the reasons for seeking chiropractic care study from the reading with modified data. Please use the data presented here for the next 5 questions. Let's see, blah, blah, blah. These data are also recorded here. The research question for this study is, do people in Europe, Australia, and the United States seek chiropractic care for the same reasons? 0.05. All right. So everything's greater than 5, and we're assuming that it was a simple random sample, so 10 is true, yeah.
And then I got 8 for 8 and 11.
Eight.
I just put it in. I put all the data into the transfer stuff.
Yeah, 4 times 2, so 8. Yep.
And then I got 0.490 for 12. Or sorry, for 13. I skipped 12. Oh, I got 7.43.
Okay. Sorry, I was just punching in all the numbers. So I got 7.436.
For number 12, and then I got 0.490 for 13.
Okay, 12. I got 7.436. And number 13, 0.490.
Yep.
I just want to make sure if I heard that correctly.
And then for 14, let's see, because of the p-value, it is sufficient.
I have B. There is insufficient because our p-value is huge.
Oh. And it is motivation, so I would agree on that.
B for boy.
B for boy.
Okay.
Or
I'm
Bravo.
submitting. We missed the question.
Which one?
We missed number 9 and number 3.
So you had A for number 3?
Correct.
Okay. I'm going to reread this real quick. A public opinion poll surveyed a simple random sample of 1,000 voters. Respondents were classified by gender and by voting preference. The results are presented here. My guess would be to switch that to B.
To B. Hold on, I'm actually.
No way.
I would say C, honestly.
Yeah, I think C.
It wasn't A, I was going to do. But
Do men's voting preferences differ significantly?
It is
number 6 is A, right?
6, yes, I have A.
yes.
What's number 7 and 8?
16.204 and 0.000.
000. And then number 9 we said was what? I guess it's only got wrong.
Number 9, we said Edward, but we were wrong.
It is not D. It's letter A.
Oh, that goes hand in hand with number 3.
Okay. A.
So we're switching question 9 to A.
I don't have a solid reasoning for it, but I'm really interested.
Yep. Okay, so 3 is C and 9 is A. Now let's figure out why.
My guess is because of the wording upon the question. Though.
Okay,
So if you look at sorry.
So the question is, do men's voting preferences differ significantly from women's voting preferences?
Yep. Are they basically saying, are they independent of each other, or are they dependent? Or are they not independent? So the no is that they are not. No, the no is that they are independent.
Right. Okay,
And
that's where the confusion is, because up until here, the null has been that they've been equal or dependent or similar.
Exactly.
So
that answers number 9 too.
yeah.
Number 9 is A.
Yep.
Okay.
Question for you guys.
Blue.
So next week, you guys have different schedules, or like is everything normal for you guys next week?
I'll be able to do Tuesday like usual. I won't be able to do Thursday.
Well, we only have one meeting next week if you look at it, because of the exam and because it's a holiday.
Yeah. So I can do Tuesday again at this time. Or at 5 or 4 or 6, whatever you want to call it. Do you need to meet at a different time next week?
I honestly don't know. I'm going to actually be in the Eastern time zone.
You're what?
I'm going to be in the Eastern time zone.
Okay.
So
I just need to be done here by 7 o'clock my time.
I can do earlier in the day if you guys can do earlier.
I can do as early as 4:30.
That's 6:30 my time. Yeah, you can. Let's keep in touch, but unless we hear otherwise, that's fine. I guess Brad, what were you going to say? I'm sorry.
Are we doing it on Tuesday?
Yeah, next Tuesday. Let's get it all sorted out in text.
Are you able to do my
It's